Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing well. I am Muhammad Shah Jahan. Today we will discuss about applications of atomic fluorescence spectroscopy. First of all, we talk about what is meant by atomic fluorescence spectroscopy. Atomic fluorescence spectroscopy is an analytical method used to determine the concentration of elements in sample. कहने का मतलब ये है कि एटॉमिक फ्लोरेसेंस स्पेक्ट्रोमेट्री एक एनालिटिकल मेथड है जो किसी सैंपल में मौजूद एलिमेंट्स की कंसंट्रेशन को फाइंड करने के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. The sample is converted to gaseous atoms and the elements of interest is excited to higher electronic energy level by light source. कि जो हमारा एलिमेंट्स ऑफ इंटरेस्ट होता है उसको हायर एनर्जी लेवल पे एक्साइट करवाया जाता है. ये है जी एटॉमिक फ्लोरेसेंस स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी. Next, we talk about applications to atomic fluorescence spectroscopy. First of all, the first application is that as atomic fluorescence spectroscopy offers exceptional sensitivity for elements of interest to human health, including lead and mercury. Several application areas have been developed for AFS. Of note, mercury detection can be conducted down to PPT range. PPT means parts per trillion range. AF has been used to test for mercury in environmental samples such as water. More novel applications have also been developed. For example, cadmium sulfide quantum dots coupled with AFS can be used to quantify target DNA sample, which may have future uses in early cancer detection and tumor identification, biomarker identification. Due to the high sensitivity of FS, it has also been used to detect cadmium and lead in human hair samples with detection limits such as low from 0.05 to 3 parts per million, respectively. These findings could have future applications in forensic sciences and toxicology. The second application is that another important application of AFS is in studying the specification of metals within samples. For certain metals, including mercury and arsenic, the compound that metal in determines whether it toxic or benign. For example, inorganic arsenic is a poison and can have detrimental effects on human, animal, and environmental health. On the other hand, organic organic arsenic complexes are relatively harmless and are found in many environmental samples and the food we eat. As such, understanding the distribution of these elements containing species within a sample is critical to a safety assessment. Safety assessment. Many techniques to separate these compounds prior to AFS analysis have been devised. On the technique is the one such technique is the use of high performance liquid chromatography prior to AFS analysis. Coupling sample work up to high performance liquid and atomic fluorescence spectroscopy allow the user to gain a more complete picture of the nature elements of the interest within bulk sample. The third application is that Atomic fluorescence spectroscopy techniques are useful in other kinds of analysis measurement of a compound present in air or water or other media such as CVAFS, which is used for heavy metals detection such as mercury. Fluorescence can be used in a redirect photon C fluorescent solar collector. The fourth application is that atomic fluorescence spectrometry is an analytical technique that is primarily used to detect and quantify metals. It is an exceptionally sensitive technique that relies on the exploiting the distinct fluorescence spectra of each specific metal. Using AFS, the detection of antimony, arsenic, bismuth, cadmium, germanium, lead, selenium, tellurium, tin, and zinc can be done at a very low concentrations. Some of these metals can be detected in single digit parts per billion range. The following articles act as a general overview of AFS instrumentation in both the steps required for analysis and some areas of application.